Looking for a Mother's Day date spot that everyone will actually enjoy? This might be it. We tried Malaking Premium Hot Pot and honestly, it's such a vibe. Napaka-cozy, ang linis, and the interior, ang ganda. Perfect for chill family time. Ito yung kakaiba sa kanya. You can taste all the broths first before choosing.
There's a flavor for everyone na magugustuhan kahit mga kids.
They have 6 options: Mala Original, Golden Chicken, Tomato, Sukiyaki, Premium Bulalo, and Spicy Tom Yum. Surprisingly, halos lahat kami Golden Chicken yung favorite. But if you like spicy, you can go for Mala Broth and even choose your spice level. Then comes the fun part. Ikaw bahala sa laman ng hotpot mo. Your bowl, your rules. Ang wide ng selection nila and yung mga meats, seafood, sobrang premium. Fresh vegetables, noodles, and my favorite, the cheese balls. Ito talaga yung hinahanap namin ng kids ko sa mga hotpot. Kaya tuwang-tuwa sila, ang sarap pa. Plus, peeled na yung shrimp ha. Small detail but big win for me. Even the kids loved it kasi they can pick what they want. Basta sabi ko, kunin nyo lang yung kaya nyong ubusin. After that, you weigh your bowl, choose your broth, and pay. It's 155 per 100 grams. So, depende sa dami ng kinuha nyo yung babayaran nyo. It comes with 1 cup of rice and yes, my free ice cream after. Perfect ending. If you're looking for a place na magugustuhan ng buong family this Mother's Day, visit the Malaking in Arcavia City, Pasig. Magkakaroon din sila ng branch sa Ayala Malls Feliz soon!